Welcome dear sellers. This video talks about tax deducted at source (TDS) and tax collected at source (TCS). First, let's see what tax deducted at source or TDS means. Tax deducted at source or TDS requires Udaan to deduct tax at a rate prescribed under the Income Tax Act 1961 from payment if such payment is liable for TDS. TDS impacts you in the following ways. From October 1, 2020, Udaan has started deducting TDS at 1%, 0.75% till March 2021 from your settlement for every order placed. This is as required by government regulations. Udaan deposits this TDS to the Income Tax Department's account by the 7th of the subsequent month. Udaan will file quarterly TDS returns and issue Form 16A, TDS certificate, as proof of deduction for you to claim credit while filing income tax return. TDS returns filed by Udaan will be credited to your permanent account number or PAN and will reflect in your Form 26AS. TDS will also be deducted on goods that are exempt under GST law. TDS liability arises at the time of marking ready to ship, RTS. TDS charges are reversed if there are buyer cancellations or returns. Now, let's see how you can use TDS credit in Form 26AS. Log into your Income Tax India e-filing account. Download Form 26AS to view TDS credit under Section 194-0 every quarter. Take credit to reduce advance tax liability or use it against payment of income tax liability while filing income tax returns. At the time of processing of return or assessment, the Income Tax Department shall pay the refund after adjusting pending income tax liability, if any. Now, let's see the steps to download Form 16A. To download Form 16A, log into Udaan on your desktop or laptop. Click on the menu button on the top left corner. From the options available, click on the Seller Central option. On the Seller Central page, click on the My Finance option on the top of the menu bar. From the drop-down list, click on TCS TDS Reports. On the report page, select the required month as per the chart shown on the screen. Now, click on the Download Report button. When the download is complete, click to open the downloaded report. Cross-check the details furnished in the downloaded form. Now, here is an example of TDS deduction for an order placed. TDS certificates will be available within 45 days of the end of a quarter. For Quarter 4, certificates will be available within 75 days of its end. Now, let's look at TCS under GST. Tax collected at source or TCS was introduced under CGST Act 2017. TCS is the obligation to collect tax at source which is placed upon e-commerce operators. When an e-commerce operator receives payment from you, TCS at 1% must be collected and paid to the GST department. TCS is applied on the net value, that is, total sales value minus returns value of all taxable goods. TCS is not applied on tax-exempt goods, where the GST is 0%. Liability for TCS arises when marking shipments ready to ship. TCS charges are reversed if there are buyer cancellations or returns. TCS impacts you in the following ways. When Udaan receives payment from you, TCS at 1% must be collected. TCS is applied on the net value, that is, total sales value minus returns value of all taxable goods. TCS deducted for returns will be credited by month end to your account. You must have a GSTIN certificate of regular plus active status. For intra-state sale of goods, TCS rate will be 0.5%, CGST plus 0.5% of SGST. For interstate sale of goods, the TCS rate would be 1% IGST. Now, let's see what happens to the tax collected at source. TCS by Udaan. Udaan deposits TCS with the Goods and Services Tax (GST) department every month. Udaan files a return providing the details of Goods and Services Tax Identification Number (GSTIN) and the corresponding TCS amount. TCS gets auto-populated in TCS return. You can view this by logging into your GST portal, then clicking on Services, then clicking on Return and choose TDS and TCS Credit Received option. After logging in, accept the amount reflected on the portal and file the return. After filing acceptance of the amount, it gets credited to your electronic cash ledger. Here are the ways in which you can use the money received in the electronic cash ledger. You can use it to make payment of outward GST. You can also choose to claim a refund from the GST department in case of no output liability. Now, here is how TCS deduction works. Take a look at how TDS and TCS deductions will occur for every order placed. You have successfully learned about tax deducted at source and tax collected at source. Thank you for choosing Udaan.